everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to this new video about my Notion bullet journal. Before creating this setup, I used to keep a physical journal from time to time, but honestly, I'm a very digital person. I love having everything in one place, being able to search through my notes instantly, and customizing my system however I want. That's exactly why I built this bullet journal. And honestly, I think it's one of the best bullet journal setups I've ever made in Notion. So let me show you how I use it. The journal is organized into different areas, which are all connected to your journal entries, notes, and ideas. Of course, you can customize them however you'd like, but personally, I use 6 main areas to organize my life. Whenever I create a new page from one of these areas, a new entry appears in the inbox. From there, I can update the date, which is automatically set to today by default, and add any tags I need. Then all that's left is filling out the page. Once I check the completion box, the entry moves from the inbox to the regular view. It automatically appears in the weekly calendar and is also grouped by area further down the dashboard. Notes and ideas work pretty much the same way. I quickly capture them through their respective inbox views, and when creating a new page, the only thing you really need to remember is linking it to an existing area. After that, depending on the status you assign, the note or idea automatically moves to the appropriate view. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find a summary showing the number of notes, ideas, and journal entries you've created, both for the current month and overall. Now, I won't lie, the system can seem a little complex at first, but once you understand the workflow, it's actually incredibly simple. And wow, it genuinely becomes one of those tools you use every single day without even thinking about it. Personally, I use the note-taking section all the time because it's just so quick and convenient. Anyway, if you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.